Hello, Reagan here. Okay, so I was supposed to have a video up a couple days ago now. Well, no, actually, what is today? I don't even know what today is. Oh yeah, today's Friday. So yeah, a couple days ago now. Our power was out for like 6 hours, which totally threw everything off. And then yesterday, I don't even know what happened. I was going to get on and play just a teeny tiny bit of WoW because I bought the expansion and haven't had a chance to actually like log on and check it out. And like 6 or 7 hours went by and I realized that I accidentally like got pulled into this like complete time suck. So being that it's Christmas Eve? Yes. I'm just going to take it easy and go easy on myself and not beat myself up too bad for not getting things taken care of. And I will see you next week instead. And that way it'll be a little bit easier for me to, you know, finish getting things taken care of for the holiday. And I won't be so stressed out. Well, I'll still be all stressed out. That's just how I live. But I'll be less stressed out. So I will see you next week on Wednesday. If not sooner, depending on if I get things taken care of or not. But definitely next week on Wednesday with the travel trailer build, which I have right here. Wait, oh, and I also will be we're discussing this guy too. I have to paint it. I haven't painted him yet. But it's a Willie's Jeep from Godzilla. Yeah, anyway. I love that thing. It was really fun to paint. So, or build. I haven't painted it yet. But I know it's gonna be amazing. Anyway, but yeah, so we'll go over some of this and I'll share some of the build with you and all that fun stuff. And yeah, so I hope you have a wonderful holiday, or you know, if you don't partake in the Christmas times, at least have a nice, you know, like federal holiday or whatever if you're in the US. And I will see you next week. Bye.